Hello everybody, my name is Maaike, I'm 49 years old and I live in Luxembourg. In this testimonial, I gladly share with you my experience about the ClearSight Method from Ainhoa de Federico. When I was 10 years old, I first started wearing glasses. After a few years, I switched to contact lenses, and when my eyes could not support the contact lenses anymore and I didn't want to wear heavy glasses, I opted for LASIK surgery. But guess what? As I didn't change my bad vision habits, after a few years I ended up wearing glasses again. So I realized that optometricians and eye doctors could not help me solving my problems, so I came across the natural vision improvement and the Bates method. I first heard Ainhoa telling her story on one of Nathan Oxenfeld's Naked Eye podcasts. I also followed her free classes Wake Up Your Eyes, and because I love Ainhoa's way of presenting the activities, explaining everything in great detail and having such an enthusiastic way of telling things and making it fun to do the activities, I decided to subscribe to her ClearSight Method, and I definitely do not regret it. The structure of the course is well set up, so you can do it at your own pace, at your own convenience, and it's very motivating. So I am still wearing the path of clarity, but I know with Ainhoa's guidance and motivation, I will get there. So I will be able to throw away my glasses for good. And since I started the course, I also noticed often that I noticed vision improvement. So I see colors better, I have a much better 3D perception, I can see the voids better and the distances, I have a better peripheral vision. And what's the most important for me is that when I feel that my eyes are strained, I know how to relax them. So thank you very much, Ainhoa, and I'm definitely enjoying the beauty of life.